Understanding and respecting cultures, a key to global harmony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beauty of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that resonates deeply in today's globalized world: respect the culture. This phrase is a cornerstone in the journey of understanding and appreciating the diverse world we live in. So, let's unfold the layers behind this meaningful expression and learn how it can impact our interactions and broaden our horizons. When we say, respect the culture, we're talking about acknowledging, appreciating, and valuing the customs, traditions, and social norms of different communities and societies. It's about understanding that each culture has its own unique way of life, beliefs, and practices, and that these differences are not just acceptable but are to be celebrated. This respect fosters a sense of empathy, promotes open-mindedness, and paves the way for more harmonious interactions among people from various backgrounds. Respecting cultures is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts that can arise from cultural insensitivity. By being mindful of the nuances of different cultures, we can communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships. Additionally, respecting cultures enriches our own lives by allowing us to learn from others, broadening our perspectives, and enhancing our global awareness. In a world that's increasingly interconnected, this respect is key to fostering international cooperation and peace. Showing respect to other cultures can be demonstrated in many ways. It starts with education. Learning about other cultures through books, documentaries, and conversations with people from different backgrounds. Active listening and open-mindedness when engaging with others are also vital. Be aware of cultural sensitivities, especially around topics like religion, politics, and social norms. When traveling, observe and honor local customs and traditions. And importantly, avoid stereotyping. Recognize that each individual's experience is unique, even within a shared culture. Respecting cultures doesn't come without its challenges. Language barriers, preconceived notions, and even unconscious biases can hinder our ability to fully appreciate another culture. The solution lies in continuous self-reflection, seeking to understand and correct our biases, and actively seeking out diverse experiences that challenge our worldview. Remember, respect is a two-way street. It's about giving and receiving, learning, and teaching. Respect the culture is more than just a phrase. It's a principle that guides how we interact with the world. It's about embracing diversity, fostering understanding, and building bridges between communities. We hope this video has inspired you to reflect on the importance of cultural respect and how it can positively influence your interactions and perspectives. Thank you for watching, and remember, every step towards cultural respect is a step towards a more harmonious and understanding world. See you in the next video.